You can order the ignition coils used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. You can now see the location of the ignition coils. There are 3 passenger side ignition coils located under the air duct and 3 coils located under the intake manifold. To access the passenger side coils, use a flathead screwdriver to unscrew the 2 holding clamps located on either side of the duct. Then, remove the hose. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Disconnect the power from the ignition coil. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, remove the bolt holding the coil. You can now carefully remove the coil, making small lateral back and forward movements. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a vacuum to properly clean around the spark plug. This prevents the dirt from falling into the motor. You can order the ignition coils used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You can then screw the bolt back in using a ratchet. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Reconnect the ignition coil. Then, lock it. You can now repeat the process on the other ignition coils. Replace the air intake hose. Screw the 2 clamps back on. Operation complete.